Alright, this is my buddy Grant's 4910 that I reworked. I'm going to be comparing it to SMITTY'S. Seems how they're different sets of numbers. This is a stock chain, nothing special. It's just a stock round nose chain. This thing is an animal. Alright, let's get SMITTY'S fired up here. Oh man, that's too close for me to call, but I'm going to pause you guys. I'm going to go grab my stack filtered saw. I'm going to throw the bar and chain that's on Grant's. Both these are running the exact same bar, exact same chain. So I'm going to go throw that on my stack filter saw. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. This is the chain and bar that I just ran on Grant's on here. This is my stack filtered saw. I do know that when I was down at Grant's and we were testing and timing things, we took my velocity stack and air filter thing off, put stock one on it, and then ran this and then put this back on. And we were showing 5% increase in cut speeds with this setup. So that setup I did for that really works. That's a really cool thing. It's not exactly fair either. This one does have an 8-pin rim, whereas the other two saws have 7 pins. But I'm not changing. This is all set up for other than the chain. This is how this saw is set up for me to play with that Sawfest this year. So I'm not, you know, might tune it if it needs it or whatever, because the last time I ran it was cold weather. But we'll start this up, cut a few cookies off, and then I'll grab SMITTY'S again and cut a few more cookies off, and then I'll be out of wood on this thing. I got maybe just enough for 2 more cookies on SMITTY'S. I don't know. I'll have to do some more investigating. I might have to switch mine over to a 7-pin. It feels like I can lay harder on SMITTY'S than I can mine. But I do know his is pushing a heck of a lot more compression than mine, because I cut the combustion chamber in that one, and I did not cut the combustion chamber in my build. Let me know what you guys think. You guys have a good one.